Hello you guys, today I will be doing a Dutch pour with a slight twist. I will be adding cell activator on top of the Dutch pour paints to see what kind of an outcome we'll get. Let's get started. Okay, I flooded my canvas with the white, just the regular white artist loft. And so let's make sure that we don't have any bubbles. And I'm just repurposing this canvas. I had painted this canvas already, so I'm just going to reuse it. The colors we have today, and I'll list it in my description as well, is Pink Chiffon. This is Craft Smart Pink Chiffon. And then I have Craft Smart Champagne Gold. I have Deco Art Berry, Deco Art White Pearl. I have a regular Artist Loft Black, and then I have Deco Art 24 Karat Gold. Wasn't for sure on the order I wanted to use, but this is what I came up with, so I'm going to use the gold first. I love the gold. I'm going to just do a little bit of black. I don't want the black to take over. I'm just going to do a little bit of black. Okay. Then we have the white pearl. It's not coming out that great. We have the berry. The champagne is next. And last, for the colors, is the Pink Chiffon. Okay, I'm going to do the cell activator. This is white Amsterdam, titanium white Amsterdam. Okay. All right, let's give it a blowout and see what we get. I'm going to start down here and try to go like in an upward motion. Let's see if that works. Okay, so I was trying to get the paint to go out. It's sitting in the middle. So I'm going to try to blow it out. Okay, let's see. I'm going to blow this out a little bit. For some reason, I can't blow upside down. I've tried before, and it just doesn't work out too right for me. Wanted this right here to come out some. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it. Maybe I can pull some lines down with it. Go here. Wow, went too far down. Okay, so I went a little too far down in the paint. Let me see. I'm just going to take some of the berry and put the berry there. Let's give it a blow. that line is horrible. I didn't want it to look like I just slapped paint there, so. Let's take this line on out. Okay, so I'll bring you down to see it in just a moment. Okay, here we go. It's beautiful cells. Okay, I didn't need the cell activator. I will not do that again because it kind of left some white like speckles. If you could see that. See there? All of those are like white speckles it left in it. But overall, it's beautiful. You know that 24 karat gold always stands out. It comes through. As you can see there. All of the cells. Overall, it's quite beautiful. I'm happy with the outcome. Let me know what you think, what I could have done differently, or if you would like to see something different. Always remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure that you hit that bell for the notification so that you receive an alert every time I post a video. Make sure that you give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Thanks for watching, you guys. Until the next time.